One more important part of the integration with FME is automations. We don't want our users to deal with FME on a daily basis. We want them to take care of the things they are responsible for and make their lives easier so that they don't have to know all the intricacies of the FME transformations. So imagine we have a workflow in Sphere, but its official source, the XML file, somewhere in a central storage was changed. How can a person that made the change propagate these changes to the headsets? Watch this video. I hope you love the ease with which I made all this work. So here we have our Sphere workflow mounting TV set, and imagine we need to update it. Let's have a look at the XML itself. We can change it. For example, let's replace this with installing TV set and pre-installation preparation. Let's say steps so that we can see those changes once they are propagated. So we can save it. Now, to deal with that, I made this simple workspace. It does only one thing. It takes that XML file and puts it somewhere into an S3 bucket in Amazon Cloud. So it can be any system, but Amazon is very convenient, and that's why I use it. So all it does, so just take that file and sends it to the cloud. But we don't want people to deal with FME, so we can publish it to FME Flow hosted, and that will turn this workspace into a simple service, something like this. So if I run this, that workspace will start in the background and upload my file to S3 bucket. But it's not that's not all. So we also have this simple automation, which constantly monitoring that bucket, a specific folder in that bucket for changes. So if something changes there, for example, a file that was there was modified, it triggers the automation and runs the transformation that actually takes that XML and turns it into a Sphere workflow. So the workspace for that is, well, a little bit bigger. Here it is, but I already talked before in my previous videos how it works. So for now, we talk only about this automation. So, and once we have a successful creation of a workflow, we will see an email going to our inbox, or if it fails for some reason, we will get notification about that as well. So now we are ready to run this. I go to my form and take this file, this XML, simply drop it here and say, okay. So something is happening. So the XML went to the cloud. Now I can go to my inbox and wait. So within a minute, we should see an email notifying us that something happened. So that's the scariest moment, but here it is. So it says that the workflow under this ID 2022 was successfully created. Here is its title. That's it. So it means that if now I switch to Sphere Management Portal and refresh this page, I will see this new workflow that was just created. It's a copy of the old one, so we could modify it, but it's easier to see that something changed. And now if we go into steps, we can see all our steps, and we see that the word preparation was replaced with the word steps. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed how easy it was done. Thank you for watching.